mahigpit talaga ang batas sa pagsasapubliko ng income tax returns ayon mismo sa dating Commissioner ng Bureau of Internal Revenue ng Aquino Administration. Pati ang pag-iwan kahapon sa Kamara ng kahong naglalaman ng ITR ni Vice President Sara Duterte hindi pinapayagan ng batas.
Mga lawmaker sila na ngayon ang mga lawbreaker. Alam nila bawal gagawin ang lahat para lang mapatalsik si BP Sara. Kayo ang gumagawa ng batas, kayo na rin ang sumusuway. Dating BIR Commissioner Kim Henares, ang sabi niya, bawal buksan yan.
The law expressly says it can only be examined if the two requisites concord in aid of legislation and in an executive session. Thank you, Madam Chair.
But this is not an inquiry in aid of legislation. This is an impeachment proceeding. So even the senators cannot open this box. The BIR apparently complied with the subpoena by bringing to us the sealed box. But because of that issue of confidentiality, we cannot open the box.
Madam Chair, there is a Latin maxim which provides expressio unius est, exclusio alterius. This means that the express mention of one thing implies the exclusion of another. It is very clear that the officers, or employees of the BIR are prohibited from divulging information regarding the taxpayer or any information relative thereto. And there is only one exemption if the Congress requests in aid of legislation. And yes, Madam Chair, should we allow BIR to violate this specific prohibition, they will be subjected to penalties. Kawawa naman po sila, Madam Chair. Nag-comply naman po sila sa subpoena. They are here. They waited for more than 9 hours. Nag-comply sila, andito po yung box. Sana naman magiging sensitive na rin tayo by at very least complying with what is provided for by the law. That is all, Madam Chair.
So when is the correct time to open the box, Commissioner? No. Because there are two requirements. Inquiry in aid and executive session. Both should be present. And assuming that the committee will decide not to open, may I just ask, when is the correct time to open the box? Commissioner?
Well, if the committee says that this is not in aid of legislation, then Section 20A will not apply. And therefore, what we will do, Madam Chair, is to withdraw our submission.
Madam Chair, this has been submitted already. I'd rather keep this.
What do you mean withdraw your
Even when it's
submission? You will
sealed.
take this back? The box?
Yes, Madam Chair, because when we submitted the documents,
To be specific, Commissioner, in the event that the committee votes in favor of probable cause, assuming only for the purpose of discussion that the impeachment complaint is transmitted to the Senate, will they be in the correct position to open this box? I'm referring to the senators.
well, if we go by the specific statutory exceptions, Madam Chair, an impeachment proceeding or an impeachment trial is not one.
Can you speak louder, Com?
Therefore, what we will do, Madam Chair, is to withdraw our submission.
We will not be returning this to BIR.
Kasi yung tax return, pag makikita mo kung saan siya kumikita, paano siya kumikita, and usually these are trade secret, di ba? May mga confidential provision dyan, no? Yung pag makikita mo, kung ikaw ay competitor, makikita mo saan siya gumagastos, mga ganyan, no? So, confidential yung mga information na yan.